Hello, Richard Hughes here at the Hughes Law Firm. I have John Campbell with me. John is of counsel to the firm, and we are going to do another segment in our series entitled Solutions. Hello, John.
Hello, Richard.
We have a lot of chatter now in this Medicaid planning and crisis planning arena around annuities. Now, some people love annuities, some people hate annuities, some people are ambivalent to them. But we're not talking in the Medicaid arena about investment type annuities. We're looking at annuities and Medicaid planning as a tool to help our clients qualify sooner rather than later for Medicaid. Is that correct?
Yes.
And the kind of annuity I want you to talk about today is the one that's commonly known as a Medicaid-friendly annuity. So tell me what that's all about.
Okay, well, the Medicaid-friendly annuity really came about in early 2006. And at that point, under federal law, all the rules about annuities in Medicaid changed. What they define as a Medicaid-friendly annuity is actually, there's actually two types of Medicaid-friendly annuities you can get. But all of them have certain characteristics in common. First of all, they have to be annuities that you cannot cash in and you can't transfer to someone else, what they refer to as irrevocable and non-assignable annuities. The second is that the annuity needs to name your state Medicaid agency as the death beneficiary up to the amount of Medicaid benefits paid on behalf of the individual.
Okay, that sounds complicated, but I'll go with you on that.
From there, they could meet one of or two other sets of tests for a Medicaid applicant. One, it could be what's referred to as a qualified annuity under the Internal Revenue Code. So if you have an annuity that's funded with the proceeds of your IRA, your Roth, or any one of a number of different types of retirement plans so that it's considered qualified annuity, then that will suffice. If it's not a qualified annuity, it has to meet several other tests. It has to be, and what that all boils down to is it has to be what's called a single premium immediate annuity. You pay for the annuity up front. There are equal payments over the life of the annuity, no balloons, no deferrals, and finally the annuity has to start paying out right away.
So it has to be an immediate rather than a deferred annuity. Okay, these annuities are complicated just by your running through the various things they need to comply with. It sounds like not every annuity salesperson will know exactly what's necessary for these Medicaid-friendly annuities. Is that correct?
That's correct. In fact, now we have a couple of annuity vendors that we deal with that are very, very experienced in this. But a lot of times a client will want to use their own financial advisor or someone else for that product, in which case we'll always want to review that contract before they finalize anything, just to make sure it's compliant.
Annuities are a very powerful tool in your planning, isn't that correct?
Oh, yes.
Even though they're complicated, they're extremely helpful in getting particularly one side of a married couple qualified for Medicaid sooner rather than later, correct?
Both in that context and also in the context of regular gift planning.
Very good. In another segment, we're going to take a case study of a married couple who is overqualified for Medicaid, and we're going to break it down and show how John uses a Medicaid-friendly annuity to get the spouse who's in the nursing home qualified for Medicaid when it looks like there was absolutely no chance of that happening for months and months and months. So stay tuned and you'll get a better perspective of how the Medicaid-friendly annuity works and how it might fit for you. Thank you.